In this video, we will see how we can add a YouTube video on our PowerPoint presentation. So at first, open PowerPoint. So I'm going to open the PowerPoint. So this is my PowerPoint application. I'm just clicking over there, and then it will open the PowerPoint. Now choose a theme. You can choose any of the theme, whichever you like, or you can also search from online. Okay, so I'm going to use this theme. So generic color block. If this theme is not available, you can also search some other theme. So I will use this theme for this video, and here I will uh, click on create, because this theme is downloaded from uh, internet. That's why it has this option. Okay, so I this is my slide. Okay, so here I want to add the YouTube video. So what we have to do, we have to add the video. So to add the YouTube video, at first we need to go insert, and if we click this insert, then in the PowerPoint you have to go further right, and you'll see an icon that is called video. And if you, there is a arrow, there is an arrow. If you click this arrow, it will pop up two options. One is online video, and there is video on my PC. Online video means if you want to insert any video which is in online, like YouTube or some other website. And video on my PC, that means if there is any video on your computer, you can link that video to this PowerPoint. Okay, so our goal was to insert the video from YouTube. So I'm going to hit this online video, this button. Once I click there, then this type of pop-up window will be appeared. Here it is asking the URL for the online videos. So we have to get the video URL, and then we have to put it here. So to get the video, we have to go YouTube. For example, this is one of my video. This is a video how we can see the Wi-Fi password in Windows very easily. So we want to add this video on our PowerPoint presentation. So in this video, you will see one link. There it is called share. So just click on top of it, and the share window will be appeared. So from here you will see there is a link here, right? And there is a button, is called copy. So you can click copy, then the whole link will be copied. Okay, once the link is copied, then you can close this thing, and then let's go to the PowerPoint. And here we have to paste that URL. So I'm going to right click and paste it. Okay, once I paste it, then there is two buttons. One is insert, and there is cancel. We have to click on insert. Once we click insert, it will take like few seconds to load the video, I mean from YouTube, and then you will see this type of thing, and then you can actually drag and drop anywhere, wherever you would like. So for example, I want to drop it like this way. Okay, so this is my video. In this way you can link your YouTube video. Now after adding this YouTube video, you see two tabs are appeared in your PowerPoint. One is video format and playback. So video format means the correction. You can actually change the correction of the color. Okay, then you can also change the color, this type of thing. Then there is poster frame. Okay, so this is the thumbnail which it is getting from the YouTube. If you want to change the thumbnail, you can also do. So for this case, you have to click this poster frame, and then you have to use this one, image from file. For example, I want to change this poster. Okay, I mean this thumbnail. So what you have to do, we have to come here, click here, and then image from file. Once you click here, then it will give you option like from a file, a stock image, online, or from icons. Suppose I have one file in my computer, so I'm going to change this with that thumbnail. Okay, so here we have to go from a file, then we have to go downloads, because that file is on my downloads folder, and here is the picture. So I'm going to select this, and then we have to click insert. Once you click insert, then you will see that the thumbnail also changed. Okay, in this way you can easily change the thumbnail based on your own requirement. Okay, and there are some other options. You can also check those things. You can also adjust the height and width, then you also align which side it will be aligned. You can also adjust, and many other options, and video shape also you can choose, but you can play those things. So my idea was how to show you how we can actually add the YouTube video on PowerPoint. So that's all guys. Hopefully by watching this video you can easily link the YouTube video on your PowerPoint presentation. And if you feel this video is helpful, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video.